So the badge is inside our package, but it doesn't look good and it's not positioned correctly. Let's maybe work on the look first and then see how we can now position it. For that, I am back in the packages CSS file and right here in the package badge selector. And now let's maybe start by changing the font size first because it was kind of big. So let's maybe add a font size of 12 pixels. Let's also maybe add a color of white because I like the white font, to be honest. And I also prepared a background color. This is our nice red we already saw. This is the FF5454 red. With these changes in place, let's see what the badge looks like right now. Yeah, it looks a lot better already. What I don't like is that we don't have any padding. So let's maybe change that by adding some padding. Maybe 10 pixels, or let's maybe say 8 pixels, not that big. Let's see if this helps improving the look. Yeah, it looks a lot better already. The general style is fine with that. What I don't like though is the position. But as we learned how this works now, we have the absolute position, but we are in the positioning context of the package. So we could simply say that we don't go to the left, but to the right. So we specify the distance from the right to our element. And why don't we just use something like maybe 40 pixels? Let's see what this looks like. That's a bit too far because we still have our margin. So actually, we could also get rid of that distance in total and simply add a distance of 0. We can also specify that like this. And with that, the margin specifies the distance we have for our recommended badge right here. And with that, I think we already achieved a lot. Our badge is now positioned correctly inside our package. It is positioned in the right package. The problem though is that if we scroll down now, we can see that our package is above our navigation bar. But we know how to fix this, right? If we go back and have a quick look at our shared CSS file, we can see that the main header has a z-index of 0. If we change that to 1, for example, so above the standard, then we can see that if we reload the page, that the navigation bar stays on top and our package scrolls smoothly below it. With that, our project looks quite cool actually, and we understood fixed and absolute positioning. We also had a quick look at relative positioning. But as I said, there are some more details that I would like to share with you about this relative positioning. So let's have a look at that in theory in the next video.